So hi everybody and welcome to the session. My name is Yagesani Patra. In this short video, we will be learning about a very important news regarding Switzerland. As you know, Russia-Ukraine ro conflict भितरे सब जाक Western countries Russia against sanction impose करे चलचंदी. And Switzerland was actually a neutral country. 200 years रू permanent neutrality रो status रथी बात Switzerland now has decided it will come out of the neutrality. It will join the European Union. It will prevent the Russian air forces from using the Switzerland air bases, and it may also put financial sanction against or economic sanction against Russia. So first question is, what is neutrality? So neutrality is a stance जोटा कि कौन सी country adopt करती if they do not want to be a part of the war. Suppose party 1 party 2 भितरे conflict अच्छी या war अच्छी, so गोटे third party decide करिबो कि ना ही मु party 1 संगे align करिबे ना ही मु party 2 संगे align करिबे. I will stay neutral. So impartiality, neutral, not even getting into war or any conflict, ए सब जिनसों को मैं neutral कहता हूँ. So in the European Union, in this entire European Union, NATO, in this scenario also you can find certain countries which were not the part. Jemti ki Switzerland. Switzerland was neither a part of European Union nor a part of NATO. Right now it has decided ki it will be a part of European Union. I must tell you, Switzerland is a part of United Nations since the year 2002. It is a part of the World Bank. It is a part of the IMF, OECD and various other small organizations also, Jemti ki Council of Europe. However, Switzerland decided to maintain this permanent neutrality since the year 1815. So it is in the year 1500 there was a battle between Switzerland and France, jo Switzerland had lost. After this battle, Switzerland decided कि since 1815 it will maintain a status of permanent neutrality. अच्छा, permanent neutrality रो माने होची they will not participate in the war, but it also means, does it mean कि समाने निजर आर्मी को छाड़ देबे? No, army will be kept. Okay, so the army is maintained. For example, जदि केबे invasion करा जाउचे स्विट्जरलैंड उपरे, it still has the army to defend itself. Okay, but it will not participate. And second thing होची कि जो आर्मी स्विट्जरलैंड पाखरे अछि, जो victim country रहबे कोनोसी war रे, humanitarian crisis रे, people, countries who will be the victim, Switzerland will come up for helping it. So in the map you can see Switzerland किछटा important शहर. Switzerland रो capital होची Bern and Switzerland रो currency होची franc. Some important cities of Switzerland जमती कि Basel, which is important for your Basel norms, for the transboundary waste movement, for the transnational organized crime and also for the banking reforms, Basel norms 3. And Geneva, which is a headquarter of many important organizations, जमती World Trade Organization, WHO, ILO, etc. Now, Switzerland रो जो policy अच्छी permanent neutrality owing to the factor now, the scenario right now कि कोड़ा से भी country एबे war को support करे बर स्थिति रे ना दे. Every country wants कि आमे जेमतिया trade and science technology रो advancement रे थिलो सेमतिया ही the world should go on, and these critical issues which will eventually lead to a lot of collateral damage should be stopped right now. एबे ही ये सब जिनसा सॉरी जाओ. So as we saw in the geography of Switzerland, एबे हमें देखिलो कि in the north it has Germany, in the south it has Italy, in the northwest it has France, in the east Austria और Liechtenstein. तो छोटा country boundary countries of Switzerland. It is a landlocked country, and during the World War II Switzerland was actually sandwiched between Germany and Italy. Our World War II रे access power किए थे Rome, Berlin, Tokyo, Germany, Italy, Japan. So Switzerland was actually sandwiched between these two Axis powers. But since Switzerland रो जो policy थिला से कौन थिला defensive policy, only deterrence and keeping the armed conflict, keeping the army but not getting into conflict or within any party. So a कारण रो Hitler called Switzerland as a pimple on the face of Europe also. So this was all the detailed information about Switzerland. And thank you so much for watching. This is a Telegram channel, Yagya OPSC ASO Prep. This is my Telegram channel. You can join this to get live quizzes every day, to get current affair updates, notes of all the subjects including the MCQ. So अपन को theory notes भी मिल जाएगा, plus MCQ जोड़ा कि अपन को exam में practice करवा चाहिए. Everything you will get in this Telegram channel. So you can join this, and you can please subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Thank you so much and all the best.